अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में स्टडी करते हैं मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट एंड फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। लेट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ आइस इज -10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। इन सॉलिड स्टेट मॉलिक्यूल आर क्लोजली पैक्ड इन a regular pattern and they vibrate about their mean position. If you give heat energy to ice, its temperature increases, mean motion of molecule increases. If you keep increases the temperature at 0 degree centigrade, motion of molecule become enough and they moving apart and finally convert into a liquid state. At 0 degree centigrade, temperature become constant until all the ice convert into a liquid. Once this happen, temperature start increases. For example, it may increase to 10 degree centigrade. The constant temperature at which a substance changes from a solid to a liquid state is called melting point. Melting point of water is 0 degree centigrade. At 0 degree centigrade, all ice convert into a liquid. Boiling point, let the temperature of water is 10 degrees centigrade. In liquid state, molecules slide over each other. If you give heat energy to water, its temperature increases, mean the motion of molecule increases. If you keep increases the temperature at 100 degrees centigrade, motion of molecule become maximum. On adding further heat, break up the molecule of water and they finally convert into steam. At 100 degrees centigrade, temperature become constant until all the water molecule convert into steam. Once this happen, temperature of water may increase. For example, it may increase to 107 degrees centigrade. The constant temperature at which a substance changes from a liquid to a gaseous state is called a boiling point. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. At 100 degrees centigrade, liquid convert into a gaseous state. Let the temperature of water is 10 degrees centigrade. To extract heat of water, you have to place the water into refrigerator. Its temperature decreases, mean the motion of molecule decreases. If you keep decreases the temperature at 0 degrees centigrade, motion of molecule becomes so small as they vibrate about their mean position and finally convert into ice. At 0 degrees centigrade, temperature become constant until all the water molecule convert into ice. Once this happen, temperature of water start decreasing. For example, it may decrease to -10 degrees centigrade. The constant temperature at which a substance changes from a liquid to a solid state is called freezing point. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees centigrade. At 0 degrees centigrade, liquid changes into ice. Now here a question arises: does water freeze or melt at 0 degrees centigrade? At 0 degrees centigrade, if you increase the temperature of water or add more heat energy to water, this is called melting point. But at 0 degrees centigrade, if you decrease the temperature of water or extract more heat energy from water, this is called freezing point. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe bell icon and write your questions in the comment section.